Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Learn.net. It's been a long time since I made a video in on the YouTube. So let's continue from today onwards. So today I want to explain some important topic that is Razor pages. Before we going to learn Razor pages, we should understand what is Razor page and what is a Razor views. So let me explain. Let me share my screen. So first of all, we need to understand what is a Razor view. So related to context, the part of MVC is called Razor views. So in that MVC we have a model view controller. The structure coming to the structure, it works with the controller and which controller handles the request and pass the data to the views. So yeah, the file organization is views are typically located in the views folder organized by the controller names. So controller name and views name both are same. Here we can see the code separation in the using MVC. So logic is written in the controller and the views focus on mainly on rendering HTML using the Razor syntaxes. So here we can see some example also. Controller, suppose a student controller has an action like a public action index, action result index method. So view here views in the views folder we can see the student controller, a student folder with a folder with the student name. In that we have an index view for that index action. So renders the data passing from the controller. So this is what is Razor views. So coming to Razor pages, and it is designed for page focus scenarios in the part of a page model pattern. So we can call it as a page model pattern. So coming to structure, combines the model view and control in a single .ch file with an associated with .cs file called page model. So coming to file organization, pages are in the pages folder, and with each page having its own .cs HTML file and .cs HTML.cs file. Now coming to code integration, the cs.html.cs file acts like a mini controller for specific Razor page. Every Razor page have its own .cs file. So reducing the need for a separate controller class. It is, if you see one example here, in the pages folder, we can have a student folder. In that we can have the Razor page and its own .cs file. And we will see in coming classes when we create the project on the Razor pages using Razor pages. So in Razor pages, .cs file having the onGet method, so it handle the requests. And we can see some key differences here between the Razor views and the Razor pages. Here the architecture is in the Razor views we can use controller based architecture, that is MVC. And coming to Razor pages, it will we will use page model, that is page focus. Coming to complexity, Razor views are better for complex application. That is a big application, we can go with MVC because the code will separate. it is loosely coupled. And coming to Razor Pages, it is simple for page centric application. It is a small application. We can go with the Razor Pages. Co-locations, logic and controllers, view for UI. Here, UI we will return in the use folder, vis pages. And coming to Razor Pages and logic and UI closely tied in the page model. Coming to structure, organized by controllers and organized by pages in Razor Pages. Use cases for this Razor View is if you are building a large application that requires a centralized logic and a clear separation of concern. So we can go with the Razor Views. And Razor Pages, if you're creating a simpler and a page-focused applications such a blog or a small website, we can go with the Razor Pages. So these are the overall about what is a Razor Page, what is the Razor View, and what is the key differences between the Razor Pages and Razor Views. Yeah, we can see clearly when we use Razor Pages and when we use Razor Views clearly. So thank you for watching my video. The next video will come up with a different topic. Thank you.